Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Beats Studio Buds Ear Tips is probably one of the most important accessories for your earbuds, significantly impacting your listening experience and comfort levels. In this video, we will explore why choosing the right ear tips is crucial, and we will review different options available for Beats Studio Buds, helping you find the perfect fit for your ears and preferences, ensuring optimal sound quality and a comfortable listening experience. Number 5. Beats Studio Buds Silicone Tips. Upgrade your listening experience with these premium silicone ear tips. They're designed for a perfect, comfortable fit and superior sound isolation. These soft, washable tips are incredibly comfortable. Experience hours of listening pleasure without discomfort. They're perfectly compatible with your Beats Studio Buds and Beats Fit Pro earbuds. Enjoy a seamless and secure fit. Immerse yourself in your music. The sound-isolating design minimizes external noise for an enhanced audio experience. These ear tips are designed to match your original Beats Studio Buds perfectly. Experience the same great sound quality with enhanced comfort. This set includes 6 pairs of ear tips, giving you plenty of options to find the perfect fit. Keep a backup pair handy. What we like. They're easy to clean, offer superior noise reduction for immersive listening, and are a perfect match for your device. If you prioritize hygiene and a crisp, clear sound, then this is the one for you. These are ideal if you work out a lot or listen to music in noisy environments. What people say. They stay in my ears. The hook helps keep the headphones locked in my ear while working out. Fit my Beats Pro buds well and into my ear. Good quality. Number 4. Beats Earphone Memory Foam. These memory foam ear tips are designed for your Beats Solo Buds, Studio Buds Plus, and Fit Pros. Enjoy a perfect fit no matter which Beats earphones you own. The unique memory foam material may seem slow to return to shape after being compressed. This is normal and ensures a comfortable, custom fit for your ears. Say goodbye to ear pain. These soft foam tips provide lasting comfort, even during extended use for workouts or all-day wear. With small, medium, and large sizes available, you can find the perfect fit for your ears. They're designed to fit comfortably in your charging case too. These ear tips come with a handy storage case. Keep your extra pairs organized and protected. Experience superior comfort and a better fit with these replacement memory foam ear tips. Enjoy your music without the discomfort. What we like. Experience unparalleled comfort with these ultra-soft ear tips. The memory foam conforms to your ears for a truly personalized fit, eliminating discomfort even during extended use. If you suffer from ear pain with silicone tips or need all-day comfort, these are perfect for you. They're great for long commutes or workouts. What people say. These work really well for me. Original Beats Studio Buds ear tips would just slip out constantly. These are soft but don't slip and actually help the buds sound better since they aren't sliding around in my ear. Going to order another set. I've been using them heavily in the gym, 5 to 6 days a week, 90 minutes per workout, and later at work, desk job, all day for the past 2 years. First off, I use them very hard in the gym. Extreme hit and lifting, rowing like I am on CR at CK. I like vigorous workouts and how much do I sweat? Yes. Also, unless your ear is notoriously tiny, get the large size across the board. These use memory foam, they expand so no need to take away from that. Overall the name of the game here is comfort and 8-10 good seal with the intent of routinely disposing of them and installing a fresh pair. Ear wax and sweat prevent these from working long term but that's the point. They might not seal quite as well as silicone but 10-10 are much more comfortable for long use. These are a nice change from the silicone tips that came with my Beats. It's a tight fit in the case, but they fit. They're comfortable and the sound quality is great. Number 3. ALXCD Beats Studio Buds Ear Tips. Upgrade your listening experience with these premium ear tips. They're designed for a perfect fit and superior sound quality. These ear tips are specifically designed for your Beats Studio Buds. Enjoy a comfortable and secure fit, no matter what you're doing. Experience richer, more immersive sound. They effectively reduce ambient noise, so you can focus on your music. Made from high-quality, soft silicone, these ear tips are comfortable to wear for hours on end. They're gentle on your ears. Find your perfect fit with 3 different sizes, S, M, L. Each pair provides a secure and comfortable seal for optimal sound. Your purchase includes 6 pairs of ear tips and a convenient cleaning cloth. Everything you need for a great listening experience. What we like. These premium silicone tips provide a comfortable and secure fit while effectively blocking out external noise. If you value both comfort and sound quality, then you'll love these. They're a great option if you want a balance of comfort and noise isolation. What people say. The fit is snug, secure, and oh so comfy. Plus, they stay put no matter how wild my dance moves get. The sound quality. Let's just say it's like my ears upgraded to VIP seats at a concert. The soft silicone material feels great, and they make my Beats Studio buds look even cooler. And did I mention there are 6 pairs? These fit perfect, and my earbuds have not fallen out of my ears one time. Foam stays in so much better than silicone. Number 2. Beats Studio Buds Ear Tips. These silicone ear tips are designed for your Beats Studio Buds Plus, and Fit Pro. Enjoy a perfect fit no matter which model you own. They're made from a soft, flexible silicone for lasting comfort and a secure fit. Experience superior noise isolation for an immersive listening experience. These ear tips create a better seal, reducing external noise and improving your audio quality. Hear your music as it was meant to be heard. With small, medium, and large sizes available, you'll find the perfect fit for your ears. They're also compatible with your charging case. A handy storage box keeps all 6 ear tips organized. You'll always have a backup pair on hand. Simply remove your existing ear tips and replace them with these. It's quick, easy, and improves your listening experience. What we like. Made from a superior silicone material, these offer enhanced noise isolation and a comfortable fit that lasts all day. If you're looking for a comfortable and durable option that improves your listening experience, these are a great choice. They're perfect for those who value a secure and comfortable fit. What people say. I have the Beats Studio Plus and these fit perfectly. I wanted a smaller size for my ears and this was perfect. These were a lifesaver. They fit my Beats earbuds perfectly and the different sizes allow me to adjust and get the best sound quality. Comfortable so far, and it helps to keep the earbuds in place. Number 1. Beats Studio Buds Plus Ear Tips Kit. It's compatible with Beats Studio Buds Plus, and Beats Fit Pro. Enjoy a perfect fit no matter which model you own. The kit includes 9 pairs of ear tips, 3 silicone, 3 double-flange silicone, and 3 memory foam. All in sizes small, medium, and large. These memory foam tips are super comfortable. They may look a little squished at first, but they'll bounce back to shape in a few minutes and provide all-day comfort. With 3 sizes and 2 materials, you're sure to find the perfect fit for your ears. They're designed for all-day wear without discomfort. These ear tips fit easily inside your charging case, so you don't have to remove them for charging. It's that simple. A handy storage box keeps all 9 pairs of ear tips organized and easy to find. Keep your extra tips safe and sound. What we like. Get the best of both worlds with this kit offering silicone and memory foam options in various sizes. This ensures a perfect fit and superior noise reduction no matter your preference. If you're unsure which material you prefer or need a variety of options, this is the ultimate choice. It's perfect for those who want to experiment with different materials and find their perfect fit. What people say. Lots of options, install easily. My preferred set thus far is the memory foam, which are 1, comfortable and 2, stay put while I'm moving a lot and sweating more than a lot. These foam inserts are the only way Beats Studio Buds stay in my ear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.